Hi there, my name is Alex, and I'm excited to share with you today the benefits of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Are you someone who has been struggling to lose weight and feel frustrated with your progress? You're not alone. Many people have tried countless diets and exercises to shed pounds, but find themselves hitting a plateau or giving up altogether. One of the main reasons for this struggle could be a slow metabolism. When your metabolism is sluggish, it's harder to burn fat, no matter how much you exercise or cut calories. That's where Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic comes in. It's a natural solution designed to boost your metabolism and help you burn fat more effectively. The secret to Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic's success lies in its blend of powerful natural ingredients, including antioxidants and digestion-boosting enzymes. These elements work together to support healthy digestion, reduce inflammation, and increase energy levels, which can help you lose weight and feel more energetic. But don't just take my word for it. Research has shown that people who take Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic on a regular basis can see significant weight loss results over time. Plus, it's an all-natural solution, so you don't have to worry about any unpleasant side effects or harmful chemicals. If you're interested in trying Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for yourself, I encourage you to visit the official website using the link below. This is the only place to purchase the authentic product, so be sure to avoid any copycat websites or third-party retailers. And here's the best part. If you're not completely satisfied with the product, you can take advantage of the 90-day money-back guarantee. This means you can try Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic risk-free and see if it works for you. So, if you're ready to finally achieve your weight loss goals and feel confident and energized in your body, I highly recommend giving Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic a try. Just click the link below to learn more and place your order. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.